Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa's Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. And also don't forget to smash the like button. Uyatrenda mntwana awasinemseleki Facebook yakhe uThando after disrespecting her ku-TVO, and people are still shocked ukuthi ayibukeli. Wendani mina ngumntwana, uthini mntwana? So they were having is it a party or no, it's not a party, but we're back in the braai. But the kipile, if you're following Uthando Nesthembu, then you know what I'm talking about. But the kipile then usne waphuma wabo wasukuma wahamba, and mntwana sine uThando wathi kulabantwana labanye sekuhambile lokhu. So mangabe and awumakhumalo bahleka, so people are saying ukuthi hayibo wayamzelela abantu abadala bomangwabe na amakhumalo bahleka instead of ukuthi bamkhude mntwana, because uyaphambuka uyaphuma endleleni. There's no need ukuthi baze bahleke. Some are saying ukuthi the child is just trying to fit in. Some are saying ukuthi uyabona mntwana ukuthi makwakhe bayamzonda. So lola khuluma ukukhuluma ngoba nalala abanye vele uhlala abakhuluma kabi makwakhe, but nanoma kunjalo there is no need ukuthi amcelele ngale ndlela. So uyatrenda nje lo mntwana ever since that episode. Everyone is talking about loya mntwana uThando ukuthi hayibo inzelelo lengaka ukuma kwakhe sekuhambile lokhu. Usho umuntu lomtsala nebantu abatsala bomakhumalo and mangwabe, instead of ukuthi bakhude mntwana bayahleka. So people are saying ukuthi they didn't like that part whereby uThando is disrespecting her mom, and there was no need for ukuthi naleya show ikuvete lokho ebantwini. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.